A simple vegetable that holds the key to unlocking a healthier, happier you. It's versatile, flavorful, and packed with nutrients that can transform your well-being from the inside out. Are you ready to discover the extraordinary power of onions and how they can revolutionize your health journey? Unlocking the power of onions for better health. Welcome. Today, let's explore the incredible benefits of onions, those humble veggies that can make a big difference in your health. Get ready to discover why adding raw onions to your meals might just be the best thing you can do for your well-being. Onion basics. Onions come in various colors and types, such as red, white, shallots, and scallions. Despite their simple appearance, they're packed with essential nutrients like vitamins, such as vitamin C and vitamin B6, minerals, including potassium and manganese, and dietary fiber. These nutrients are vital for overall health and play key roles in various bodily functions. Health benefits. 1. Cancer protection. Onions contain compounds like quercetin and various antioxidants that have been linked to a reduced risk of certain types of cancer. Studies suggest that regular consumption of onions may lower the risk of colon, throat, ovarian, and prostate cancer. These compounds have shown promise in inhibiting the growth of cancer cells and reducing inflammation in the body. 2. Antibacterial power. Onions possess potent antibacterial properties thanks to compounds like allicin. Research indicates that these compounds can help combat a wide range of harmful bacteria, potentially reducing the risk of infections and promoting overall health. 3. Good for your gut. Within the layers of an onion lies a treasure trove of fructooligosaccharides, unique substances that serve as prebiotics for the beneficial bacteria in our gut. These prebiotics promote the growth of healthy gut flora, supporting optimal digestion and overall digestive health. 4. Stronger bones. Recent studies have suggested a potential link between onion consumption and improved bone health. Compounds found in onions, such as quercetin and sulfur compounds, may play a role in preserving bone density and reducing the risk of osteoporosis, especially in postmenopausal women. 5. Heart health. Onions contain organic sulfur compounds that have been shown to have positive effects on cardiovascular health. These compounds may help lower cholesterol levels, reduce blood pressure, and prevent the formation of blood clots, ultimately lowering the risk of heart disease and stroke. 6. Diabetes control. For individuals with diabetes, onions may offer benefits in managing blood sugar levels. Compounds like quercetin and sulfur compounds in onions have been shown to enhance insulin sensitivity and regulate glucose metabolism, potentially improving glycemic control. 7. Brain booster. Onions are rich in flavonoids, a group of plant compounds with antioxidant properties. These flavonoids have been associated with a reduced risk of Alzheimer's disease and age-related cognitive decline. Regular consumption of onions may help protect brain cells from oxidative stress and inflammation, supporting cognitive function as you age. Hair care. While scientific evidence is limited, some studies suggest that applying onion juice to the scalp may promote hair growth and improve scalp health. The sulfur content and potential anti-inflammatory properties of onions could contribute to these benefits, though more research is needed to confirm their effectiveness. Considerations. While onions offer numerous health benefits, it's essential to be mindful of potential side effects. Raw onions can cause digestive discomfort, including gas and bloating, in some individuals, particularly those with irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Additionally, onions can alter body odor and cause bad breath. Practicing proper food safety measures, such as storing and handling onions correctly, can help minimize the risk of foodborne illnesses. Incorporating onions into your diet can be a flavorful and nutritious way to enhance your health. From cancer protection to heart health and beyond, onions offer a wide range of benefits that can support your overall well-being. Just remember to enjoy them in moderation and be aware of any potential sensitivities. With their impressive array of nutrients and compounds, onions truly deserve their reputation as a superfood for better health. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the incredible world of onions. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. Together, let's embrace the power of onions and take steps towards a healthier, happier life. See you next time.